The Ohio class of nuclear-powered submarines includes the United States Navy's 14 ballistic missile submarines and its 4 cruise missile submarines, each displacing 18,750 tons submerged. The Ohio-class boats are the largest submarines ever built for the U.S. Navy. They are the world's third-largest submarines, behind the Russian Navy's Soviet-designed 48,000-ton Typhoon class and 24,000-ton Borei class. The Ohio's carry more missiles than either, 24 Trident II missiles apiece, versus 16 by the Borei class, 20 by the Borei II, and 20 by the Typhoon class. Like its predecessor Benjamin Franklin and Lafayette-class subs, the Ohio SSBNs are part of the United States nuclear deterrent triad, along with U.S. Air Force strategic bombers and intercontinental ballistic missiles. The 14 SSBNs together carry about half of U.S. active strategic thermonuclear warheads. Although the Trident missiles have no preset targets when the submarines go on patrol, they can be given targets quickly, from the United States Strategic Command based in Nebraska using secure and constant radio communications links including very low-frequency systems. The lead submarine of this class is USS Ohio. All the Ohio-class submarines, except for USS Henry M. Jackson, are named for U.S. states, which U.S. Navy tradition had previously reserved for battleships and cruisers. The Ohio-class submarine was designed for extended strategic deterrent patrols. Each submarine is assigned 2 complete crews, called the Blue Crew and the Gold Crew, each typically serving 70 to 90-day deterrent patrols. To decrease the time in port for crew turnover and replenishment, 3 large logistics hatches have been installed to provide large-diameter resupply and repair access. These hatches allow rapid transfer of supply pallets, equipment replacement modules, and machinery components, speeding up replenishment and maintenance of the submarines. Moreover, the stealth ability of the submarines was significantly improved over all previous ballistic missile subs. Ohio was virtually undetectable in her sea trials in 1982, giving the U.S. Navy extremely advanced flexibility. The class's design allows the boat to operate for about 15 years between major overhauls. These submarines are reported to be as quiet at their cruising speed of 20 knots or more than the previous Lafayette-class submarines at 6 knots, although exact information remains classified. Fire control for their Mark 48 torpedoes is carried out by the Mark 118 Mod 2 system, while the missile fire control system is a Mark 98. The U.S. Navy has a total of 18 Ohio-class submarines which consist of 14 ballistic missile submarines and 4 cruise missile submarines. The SSBN submarines provide the sea-based leg of the U.S. nuclear triad. Each SSBN submarine is armed with up to 24 Trident II submarine-launched ballistic missiles, however this was reduced to 20 after the New START treaty was signed. Each SSGN is capable of carrying 154 Tomahawk cruise missiles, plus a complement of Harpoon missiles to be fired through their torpedo tubes. The Ohio class is rapidly approaching retirement, and the U.S. Navy has decided to replace them with the new Columbia-class SSBN design. The first submarine is scheduled to begin construction in 2021 and enter service in 2031. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and check back for our next video.